Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you how to take the hood off a Cub Cadet Enduro Series lawn tractor and then show you how to put it back on. So this is a really simple job, but it makes things a lot easier when you're doing maintenance on your tractor. For example, I always take this off whenever I am changing the oil or anything like that. So it's really just a quick two-step process, and I'll show you how to do that. So the first step is you need to disconnect this wiring harness right here that goes to the headlights. So to do that, all you have to do is push in on the bottom of this little plastic tab right here, and then it'll pull apart just like that. The next part is we're just going to lift this hood off at an angle. Now you can see where it sits in this little saddle right here that's at an angle. So you just have to lift the hood off at that angle. So to show you what that looks like up close, kind of like that. So I'll show you what that looks like again. You're just going to pull it up at an angle, just like that. So that's going to make it a lot easier to access things when you need to do some maintenance. Put it back in. Just like that. Then you reconnect the wiring harness for the headlights. Then you can put your hood back down and you're all set. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.